This boy is flex too. My sure boy. When those girls come out now.
Come on, boss. Now we don't distract them.
You be bad boy. I don't say yeah. Terry G, Terry God. Bad boys. Shocky. When the level go drop now?
Before 3 hours.
Don't say you don't go bank. Yes. You go when you go drop.
You know what? Today,
I mean, don't worry. We'll go club this night. Yes, that kind of thing.
Chairman, boss. I bet make I see you sharp.
You don't see money. And people will see money now. They see me now. They see like this. As we talk, Jerry.
Boss.
So what's happen now? What's happen?
It is very urgent. Make I just see.
I got to come out and tell to this boy. I don't know what he wants. He talk now. Time na money.
Bruh. Boss, I say that ties where they sleep on top. You don't tire me. You know they make my work the sharp. I say make you upgrade me go bed so that.
Okay, that bed. What thing they use to buy the bed? Talk.
Money.
You don't make any money this year. Now you old pass for this HK. You don't take this HK now 5 years, going to 5 years. The total money you don't collect for your life na $2,000. See that boy, 5 months. You don't collect like $300,000. That one $1 million. Okay, no worry. Should be one upgrade.
Yes.
You go come out for that ties. You go see bank coding.
No, make I just the ties they even they go well. I don't get used to the ties.
Deal where they come, man. A very massive deal. The company they are willing to pay $2M. Sure you get. And you said you get that your woman and go pick up. So you go do 40-30-30.
And a wicked man.
Sure you get. That $2 million now, some people never even see and they must smell and before for them. Sure you get. So now 2K now they don't make for their lifetime. All in agree?
Yeah, 40-30-30.
Everywhere good.
Guys, you get what you the reason. I don't know if you feel me.
Guys, stand up, Charlie. When that one start. See this guy, Charlie.
Voila. This our Oga. She no feel say he does a chop on our money. How na go do all the job? He go to collect 40%. Who is it even they even collect percent? What thing he do? He just teach now work. Which work he even teach now? All the money we on they make. Now he just pack everything. You don't even reach even get on our HK. You don't have to work now. I mean I go put on HK. I go follow now. I ready make I even be on our boy. You say me I be the best boy. All the bad boy.
Sit down. Whoa, it's not true.
I reason.
Busy by now sweat to
My phone's on, bro.
Baby, take it down. Let me see. Take it down now. What's the issue?
Okay. Don't say me, we can't yarn you something.
Okay, what's that?
That percentage where you they give us, we know one day on that percentage.
And I go talk him now. No do if you do maybe I just collect 39.
every time I get the lion's share.
Exactly.
Okay. So what's that going on? Waiting the stuff like this now.
Even me going, I don't tire for all this.
Okay, well now no say I need to teach that work.
Right.
Okay, now that could be this abi. That one come out from my HK I be waiting.
Yeah, we come out with that.
Yes.
Okay, one come out.
We don't have work now. And then
Exactly.
the why not?
Yeah, now when are they go now?
Make I drag small bro.
Hey, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Before I buy for bring am.
Give my phone. Take
Take a nonsense phone.
my phone.
Carry the phone, more they go. Yes, now. Terry.
I know they go. Shebi na me get clients.
Do 70-30 like this.
Boss, don't worry, you do a 90-10. I know
My lawyer boy.
You get the clients.
Yeah, man, they go.
More they go now.